Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the recent 5 pack, by Hotwheels in India. So again, I'm saying this. I bought only one of this because it literally costs so much now, and I'm losing interest in Hot Wheels now because it doesn't have much details, and I'm not going to play with it anyways. And these are supposed to be played with. So I just bought this pack because this is a MOPAR, and I mean this is the entire Dodge set here. So I'm collecting sets as I already mentioned in the prelude video. So I do have Chevy, Lamborghini. I think there are few more 5 packs which I bought in abroad, which I'm yet to unbox. I really don't want to unbox those, but I will surely unbox those because, like I say, I unbox everything in this channel. I'm not going to keep it in box. Okay, so as I mentioned here, so this price has been increased now from 749 to 899, which is shit. Because Indian government is doing all the shitty things now, so we can't do anything at this point. So individual, per piece cost is 180 now, so which is atrocious. But anyways, a lot of suckers are actually buying Hot Wheels. I'm really sorry to say this, but yeah. So since we are suckers, they are actually doing all these things. I'm really not sure. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one actually looks. So I see a lot of complaints from a lot of people that Hot Wheels losing the quality. I agree. That's one of the main reasons I started losing interest in Hot Wheels. But I'm not seeing much quality like it used to. Even the ones which I bought during 2017, 2016, around that point of time. So I was collecting only Ford Mustangs back then. So compared to that one, whatever I'm having now, it's a bit different. Okay, so here it is. Let me show you what are the cars here in this pack. So the Dodge Challenger SRT8 and Dodge Hemi Challenger and Viper GTSR, and so this is a little red express truck. So I never actually had that one, so I bought that. And the Dodge Charger Daytona, so which I think I already have. I think I got from the Fast and the Furious pack. I need to see if I do have that one. Okay, let's go through one by one. So let's start with the Daytona here. Okay, so the initial impressions of this car, like, okay, this looks good. It's a mainline Hot Wheels, nothing like spectacular here. And the moment you open the box, and you can see there are a lot of irregularities in the paint, and you can see, and for 180 rupees, I'm not expecting this. That too from a brand like Mattel. And the bottom is all chassis is all chromed out. So if you guys are wondering, this body is made of metal and the chassis is actually plastic. It is just chromed out, that's it. And the wheels are made of plastic. There are no paint details here for headlights, or sorry, for tail lights, and as well as headlights. There is no paint job there. Let me just put some more light. I hope you guys can see it clearly, like I'm saying. So just put down in comments if you are not able to see the video clearly, or if it isn't, there is not enough light or something like that. I'll try to improve that in maybe from my next set of videos. You can see the fuel cap here, which is embossed, which is nice for a change. It does have some interior detailing to it. I'm not able to show it very clearly. The windows are tinted. So as usual, anyway, it is not going to have any suspension. So let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls really smooth, but it doesn't roll really fast. And it does wobble a little bit, especially the rear wheels, it wobbles a little bit. You can see the exhaust details here, which is really nice. Honestly, I really wish I'm a kid, so I can just play with this all day long instead of worrying about what I'm going to do tomorrow, during my working hours and all these things. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So I personally liked this one. So the Dodge Challenger SRT8. The paint job on this one it's okay. It looks a bit clean, but it does have some irregularities here again, as you can see. There is some red color paint scratch here. Not sure how it got there. And I do like this decal here. It is a bit rough. It is not really that good actually, as you can see. It is not really that good. I think I really want to make sure, if anyone else bought this pack, and if you actually opened this pack, just let me know, if you are also having this specific thing here, this issue on top of this MOPAR. You can see it's like the paint got chipped out. Let's see the other side. Yeah, the paint got chipped out. The other side doesn't have the exact same representation like this. So, and here you can see here the paint chipped out here. The decal looks cool, but it is not really good. Okay, there are no paint job for tail lights or even headlights. Nothing. It's just plain. That's it. It's really disappointing to see that. And it does roll really well. I'm not seeing any wheel wobble or anything. At least not to my eye. And it does roll really well. The hood details are actually really nice. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So this is the truck which we are talking about. Little red express truck. So I never actually owned this one before, so I bought it. Okay, so here this part is metal and this part here is metal. So the exhaust here and the bed here, these are actually plastic. So the bottom is chassis is actually plastic and it is just chromed out. At least the paint job looks a bit bright. There are no headlight details or tail light details, nothing. Not even a single thing. They actually gave some detailing for the handles here, door handles here. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls really fast and smooth, but it does have some wheel wobble, especially on the rear wheels. Yeah, especially on the rear wheels, it has some wheel wobble. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, the Hemi is actually my personal favorite. I think I do have a couple of Hemis before. No, long back when I bought, like around 2016 or 2017. So it does look really nice, especially the hood here, the air intake and all. That is actually plastic. It is not metal. The rest of the body is made of plastic, and so in this entire set so far, this one looks really nice. The interior looks really nice, specifically with this orange detailing, but still it doesn't have any headlights or tail lights painted on. At least that's what I'm expecting for this price which we are buying now. The rims looks really nice. The color tone just matches really good. Okay, let's do a roll test. And before that, let me just tell you about the paint job, guys. It does have some irregularities here, so you can see now. I really wish at least this one piece doesn't have any paint job issue, but it is there. Okay, it rolls really nice and smooth. It does have a little wheel wobble on both wheels, but nothing actually visible that easily to your naked eye. I mean, if you're not really worried about that much regarding those issues, but this looks really nice. It rolls really well. It's good. Okay, last but not least, the wiper. So I did unbox, I think, a couple of wipers before. At least one I remember, another one I don't remember now. I used to keep it here somewhere. Yeah, there is one here, and there was one more. I think I replaced it with something else, I guess. That one was a blue one, I guess. Okay, so this one looks okay. You can look here in the scoop. You can see this paint job, and it is kind of like chipped. It looks colorful and looks really nice, but if you ask me if this really is worth for 180 rupees, it's not. See, not even one single car has any headlight or tail light details. Not even a single paint job there. That is really disappointing. but rest of the detailing looks nice. I'm not going to complain about that. Okay, there is something here. I'm not sure why it is here. I know if something is there like this, it is supposed to do something. I really don't know, guys. So if you guys know what it is, you please let me know. Again, I'm showing this. There is something here, or maybe it is just the hinge for this interior sitting here. But I'm still not sure. If anyone actually knows something about this, please let me know. I'm just trying to press it, but nothing is happening. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.